Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to get rid of hiccups instantly, and that works for me and works for anybody I've met before. Most people say that drinking water, especially 7 sips of it, will do the job. I've tried that when young, but it's useless as it is now, of course. I don't want to say more because you might be hiccuping now or somebody near is doing it. So my solution is to force a cough like this one. And if it didn't stop, be sure that you might haven't coughed correctly. Okay, thanks for watching, and please don't forget to leave a comment or a thumbs up if you liked the video.